Good morning, a respected teacher and my fellow students. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Today I stand before you to speak about something that shapes our lives, builds our character and opens the road to a better future. The value of education. Education is much more than textbooks and exams. It is the light that removes the darkness of ignorance and teaches us not only how to read and write but how to live with honesty, discipline and respect. True education builds the foundation of a strong and moral society. We all know that getting high marks is not only the goal, what matters how we achieve them. When we chose shortcuts like cheating or dishonesty, we harm more than ourselves. The first step taken with dishonesty often leads our way for success and peace of mind. Education must be earned or fake because only real knowledge can help us stand confidently in the world. In our school, we are lucky to have a system that does not tolerate cheating or dishonesty. And that's because education is all. Our goal should not just be to pass exam but to become honest, hardworking, and responsible citizen. A truly educated person uplifts not only themselves but also their family, their community, and their nation. They do not rely on tricks or shortcuts but on knowledge, truth, and determination. When students understand this, the entire future of a village or a country can change. Let us all promise today what we will value our education, not just for marks, but for building a life of character and purpose. Let us be the kind of student who make our school, our teacher, and our family proud. Thank you.